Hi folks, welcome back to another episode of Teardown Tuesday. Quick little video here just on a state of the channel as we wrap up 2022. So Teardown Tuesday originally started under the scope of a video a week for the entire year. And we didn't quite make it to that, ran a little short on parts, but we did prove the concept is solid. So going into 2023, you can expect the videos to continue, but at a slower pace. So as interesting parts come in and we can find some value in tearing them down and sharing them, I'll continue to do this style video. But you can see from the state of my teardown tray and the condition of my gloves, we've had a busy year here. And I really just want to say thank you to everyone who watched, who contributed comments or sent parts especially, and for all the feedback I received. I appreciate all of your support, and I hope you'll continue to watch as I tear things apart. Thanks for coming along for the ride. We got a long way to go, and we'll sing and we'll dance and bid farewell to